If you're trying to choose between ConvertKit and Instapage for creating landing pages, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down both platforms and help you figure out which one is the best landing page software. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a better alternative you won't want to miss. First thing, let's talk about ConvertKit. ConvertKit has built a reputation as one of the most powerful email marketing platforms, and it has a landing page builder included as part of its offering. It's designed for creators and entrepreneurs who want an all-in-one email and landing page solution. What's great about ConvertKit is how easy it is to use. There's no steep learning curve, and it's perfect if you want to quickly put together a simple, clean landing page without a ton of customization options. However, ConvertKit's landing page builder does have its limitations. The customization options are pretty basic. While it's great for beginners or those who just need a simple opt-in page, you might feel a bit restricted if you're looking for more advanced features or design flexibility. Next thing, while ConvertKit is excellent for managing your email list and automating emails, it doesn't offer the depth of features you might find in other specialized landing page builders. You might also run into performance issues if you're aiming to build high-converting, sophisticated landing pages. Next, let's move on to Instapage. Instapage is specifically designed for landing pages, so right off the bat, it gives you a more specialized experience. It offers a drag-and-drop editor that's super intuitive and comes with a lot more customization options compared to ConvertKit. Instapage has a variety of templates, A/B testing features, and even integrations with other marketing tools. If you need a higher level of sophistication in your landing pages, Instapage has got you covered. But here's the downside. Instapage can be expensive, especially for small businesses or individual users. While it's loaded with features, it's not exactly budget-friendly. The pricing can be a bit of a shock, and if you're not ready to commit to a higher tier plan, it could feel like overkill. Plus, there are so many options, it might be a bit overwhelming for someone who just wants a simple landing page. The fourth thing to consider is integration capabilities. Both ConvertKit and Instapage integrate with major email marketing and CRM platforms, but ConvertKit shines when it comes to building your email list and automating follow-ups directly within the platform. Instapage integrates with tools like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and more, but it's more about refining and testing your landing page performance than the email marketing side of things. Now, if you're looking for something that blends the best of both worlds, easy to use, tons of customization, and great performance without breaking the bank, there's an alternative I recommend. After trying both ConvertKit and Instapage myself, I've found a platform that delivers what you need for building high-converting landing pages and more. It's fast, powerful, and gives you the ability to scale without the steep learning curve or high costs. If you're ready for a better landing page solution, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Both ConvertKit and Instapage have their strengths, but for a comprehensive, user-friendly experience that won't break your budget, I strongly recommend checking out the link below for a better alternative.